How artificial intelligence is revolutionizing renewable energy. Welcome, energy enthusiasts. Imagine renewable energy systems as high-performance athletes, always striving, always evolving. Now add artificial intelligence, AI, as the elite coach. It perfects strategies, anticipates challenges, and fine-tunes performance. Together, they're unlocking a sustainable future that no longer feels out of reach. Renewable energy, solar panels kissing the sunlight, wind turbines spinning with purpose, has reshaped how we power our daily lives. But the challenges remain: irregular energy generation, storage limitations, and grid integration hurdles. Here's the exciting twist. AI isn't just helping us tackle these issues, it's turning them into tremendous opportunities that reshape the energy landscape from the ground up. With AI's power, we can optimize energy production, reduce inefficiencies, and revolutionize energy systems to create a seamless, efficient, and smarter renewable energy ecosystem. Renewable energy holds endless promise, but there's a catch. Mother Nature is unpredictable. Solar panels don't produce energy at night, and wind turbines slow down during calm weather, a frequent headache for energy providers trying to maintain supply stability. On top of that, energy storage remains a challenge. Even though battery technology has come a long way, affordable large-scale storage solutions are still elusive. What happens to the surplus energy from sunny or windy days? Without better storage options, much of that clean energy is wasted. Grid integration adds another layer of complexity. Today's energy grids were designed decades ago for fossil fuels, making it tricky to incorporate renewables effectively. Many renewable systems are also spread across remote areas, away from dense urban centers, complicating maintenance and reliability. The good news? AI is here to make these challenges manageable and even solvable. Let's talk predictive maintenance. Renewable energy systems, be it wind turbines or solar panels, aren't maintenance-free. Unexpected breakdowns can lead to costly downtime and even sector-wide inefficiencies. AI steps in by analyzing data from system sensors, think vibrations, temperatures, or pressure points, to predict potential failures before they spiral into major problems. Real-time assessments reduce downtime, extend equipment life, and keep production flowing smoothly. For instance, by pinpointing small drops in turbine efficiency before they escalate, energy providers can respond proactively. It's like an early warning system for keeping renewable systems running at peak performance. How do we ensure that energy generated aligns with dynamic consumer demand? AI thrives in this challenge by optimizing energy distribution in real time. Picture this. As energy demand spikes in one region, AI-driven systems redirect surplus energy there while minimizing waste elsewhere. This adaptability, powered by algorithms, helps utilities maintain balance, lowering costs, boosting system efficiency, and giving renewables a competitive edge over traditional fossil fuels. AI is also bolstering smart grids, networks that self-regulate energy flows based on demand forecasts. Beyond just grid stability, AI harnesses insights to allocate renewable energy where it's needed most. AI doesn't stop at energy management. It also takes renewable energy generation to new heights. For example, machine learning algorithms can analyze weather forecasts to predict solar and wind output with pinpoint accuracy. In wind farms especially, even small changes in wind direction or speed can drastically shift energy yields. AI fine-tunes turbine adjustments in real time, ensuring maximum energy output under evolving conditions. Let's spotlight an inspiring example. A company like Clear Renewables developed an AI-driven platform that packages sensor data from wind turbines into actionable insights. This technology has improved energy production by up to 10%. With such advancements, renewable energy isn't just environmentally smart, it's becoming an economic powerhouse. Energy isn't always consumed where and when it's produced. This is where AI-powered energy trading platforms come into play. Platforms can analyze supply and demand patterns between regions, enabling optimized energy sharing across grids. This approach reduces inefficiency, minimizes wastage, and supports the overall health of energy markets. Whether it's managing peak hour shortages or maximizing surplus energy flows, AI empowers providers to be both more agile and more profitable. Examples speak louder than promises when it comes to AI's impact on renewables. Take Clear Renewable's platform, optimizing turbine performance. Beyond increased energy production, it has drastically reduced the cost of wind energy, making it financially sustainable and more competitive with fossil fuels. Then there's Gridware, an AI-powered system revolutionizing smart grids. By analyzing energy consumption in real time, Gridware dynamically adjusts energy flow, cutting down losses by up to 20%. These success stories underline the transformative potential of AI in reshaping renewable energy practices across industries. What if we shifted our focus from viewing challenges as roadblocks to seeing them as opportunities for innovation? AI, when integrated into renewable systems, opens the door to a future defined by sustainable, resilient, and highly efficient energy ecosystems. The benefits? Think reduced greenhouse gas emissions, lower bills for consumers, more attractive profit margins for providers, and job creation in niche AI-energized roles. AI becomes the bridge between ambitious climate goals and a realistic, scalable, clean energy future. Bold advancements like AI show us what's possible when technology meets sustainability. Don't just watch history unfold. Be part of the conversation shaping a smarter, cleaner energy industry. What excites you most about AI's potential in renewables? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're as passionate about sustainability as I am, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. For innovative insights and more groundbreaking applications of AI, check out my video on sustainable agriculture. See you next time as we continue exploring the frontier of tech-powered sustainability.